Okay, so this is the yarn that I am using. Just want to show you, you can use any yarn you want. It is pretty thin, so what I'm doing is I'm using the yarn from the 2 cones from here, and I'm making it 2-ply, like I'm crocheting it with 2 strands of yarn to give that nice thickness to crochet. And the crochet hook for this project I am using is a 3mm crochet hook. So I hope this helps you a bit. This is cotton, and I believe there is a little bit of I don't know what's it called. Like, it's very thin, right? So there's cotton inside, and maybe there's acrylic that is wrapping it around. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this down and show you how it looks like so far. So I have been I have designed this, and I do have a tutorial on how to crochet this flat, just to give you an idea. So I will put the link below, and you can go and check that tutorial. I showed how to crochet it back and forth, but and I was saying on the tutorial that I'm gonna make a top down. So this is what it is. See? It's really hard to fit the screen, but I will make a video as soon as I come to divide the body parts, and I'm going to work on the collar as well. It's not finished yet. So now this is how it's done, and you can see my increases here. I made V's to make the increase, and I'm adding my increases every leaf that I make. So I thought this yarn would be perfect to crochet with leaves design. So this is my own design. I have created myself. I don't have a written pattern, so that's the reason I'm doing my tutorials. And I want to put buttons here. So this is something nice to put on when it's chilly in the summer, especially where I live. You need something when you go out, just to cover yourself. And I don't, and shawls, you can't wear it when you're going out. So this is something you can put on and then go out. But I want to work on the body, and I'm going to be making a different design, so I will share that as well. So stay tuned. As soon as I am done dividing the body parts, I will do a tutorial. I will start a brand new one and show you how it's done. I just love how it looks. I haven't blocked it or steamed it anything, but yeah, it's it will straighten up, and yeah. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, I'm sorry I changed the subject. I do not have a written pattern, so please don't ask me a written pattern. I get messages. I even get messages through my Etsy shop for asking for people for a written pattern, and I don't write written patterns. They're very time consuming and lots of editing done, and you never can write a perfect pattern, and I don't want to go through that. That's the reason I'm doing a tutorial for you, to share it with you guys, so you don't have to, you know, follow anything. It's everything is in front of you. So stay tuned for that video. As soon as I divide the body parts, I'm going to come back and do a tutorial on how to crochet top down this design. Okay, well, you guys take care. Happy crocheting.